baked all the way through, crunchy outside, soft, moist, and chewy on the inside. Crack natin, guys. Look at that. Let's go. I'm excited. Parang hindi ko pa natikman.
Paghaluin lang ang half cup ng salted butter, 1/4 cup ng white sugar, half cup ng brown sugar, dash of vanilla, 1 egg, half teaspoon ng baking soda, at 1 tablespoon ng cornstarch. Haluin lang ng mabuti, saka mag-add ng 1 tablespoon ng pistachio cream. Pwedeng gumamit ng homemade or yung mga nabibiling pistachio cream or paste. Haluin lang at saka mag-add ng 3/4 cup ng all-purpose flour at 1/4 cup ng pistachio powder. Then mix. Now add 1 cup ng chopped dark chocolate or dark chocolate chips, and lastly add 2 tablespoons ng chopped pistachios. Then mix. Now this recipe makes 9 cookies na nasa 69 grams each. Gamit ang large ice cream scoop, ilagay lang yung mga cookie dough in an airtight container and let it sit in the fridge overnight. Importante na i-rest muna yung dough bago i-bake para ma-hydrate yung flour at mag-develop ng deeper flavor, and also to give the cookie that moist and chewy texture. After ma-rest ng dough, i-preheat yung oven at 200 degrees Celsius, then place the cookie dough on a baking tray, but make sure lang na may enough space between each dough kasi mag-spread yung cookies habang binibake. Then bake for 12 to 14 minutes or until mag-brown yung edges ng cookies. After 14 minutes, place the cookies on a cooling rack. At habang mainit pa, pwedeng gumamit ng tart ring or any round object para ma-reshape yung cookies. Palamigin lang completely, and now you can enjoy your pistachio chocolate chip cookies.